What's going on YouTube? It's Sam from Motorsports, back in another video. If you guys are new, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to comment down below. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 5 things I do not like about my 535i. There's not many I can really list. That's why I'm only doing 5 instead of 10 or 15. If I didn't like things about this car, I wouldn't have bought it in the first place, but I'm only doing 5 because after about a year of driving this car and a year of maintenance and a year of putting stuff on and a year of dealing with the car, I can officially tell everybody why I don't like the 5 Series. So instead of jabbering on and keep on talking, I'm going to go ahead and cut into the video. So let's get into it. Number 1, of course, it's going to be the bumper. The regular bumper is just really boring. So if you guys go down in the my videos, you guys will see me installing a retrofit M5 bumper. So it changes the whole look of the car. That's one thing I changed in the car, for example, because I didn't like it. So if we go and step back, I'll show you guys a little more in depth. So it just changes the whole look of the car. Of course, I got it on coilover, so it changes the stance of it a little bit more. So that's the number 1 thing I do not like about this car is the factory bumper. It's just really not nice in my opinion. So let's go and cut to number 2. All right, so number 2 is going to have to be the brakes and rotors. The front, the rotors are perfectly fine. I believe that they should be bigger in the back as well because you're applying so much heat to them by pressing them so much. Of course, I like to add performance to the vehicle and make it fast, so of course I'm always braking on the car all the time. So I believe that they should make the front and the back the same size. As you guys can tell, the backs are way smaller than the fronts, and there's all this brake dust on here. So that's number 2. Let's go ahead and go to number 3. All right, number 3 is gonna have to be the rear bumper. Just like the first one, it's the front bumper. The rear bumper is pretty boring. You only got a slot for 1 and 2 exhausts. So I believe the M5 retrofit style for the rear bumper is really nice, so I ordered it. There's gonna be a video on it pretty soon of me installing it, painting it, and putting it on. On the M5 retrofit bumpers, they have the diffusers on the back, which makes the whole car look totally different, and it'll go with the carbon fiber spoiler and the other carbon fiber pieces that I have on the car. So I believe that the bumper just does not make the car look as good as it could be with the M5 style. I mean, of course, you guys can buy a M5 and have all that, but when you have a 535i and you want to make it look really cool, you want the M5 bumper. So it's the bumper for me. I'm not a big fan of it, just like the front one. Let's go and cut to number 4 now. So now we are in the vehicle. We're not on the outside. And the reason for that is because of this steering wheel. This steering wheel is very basic in the car. Most 535 or 550i's or other BMW 5 Series have the more efficient steering wheel. This one's just too meaty. It doesn't have the paddle shifters, and it does not look good in the car. Everything else but the steering wheel on the inside looks perfect. Of course, we got all the buttons, we got the updated cluster, we got all these, and the steering wheel just does not make it look good. So I believe if they put the M Sport steering wheel in this car would look amazing on the inside. Most people do not like that steering wheel. For example, people that don't want the M Sport kind of look, that's why they go with this steering wheel. So I'm going to be upgrading this steering wheel here pretty soon to bring the more M Sport feeling to this car. So yeah, let's tune in. So that's number 4. Let's go ahead and get to number 5. Alright guys, so we're at number 5 now, and I believe the number 5, the worst thing about this car after putting the tune on and doing all the modifications to it, is going to have to be the gas mileage. The gas mileage went down very efficiently. It went from, I'm pretty sure I had 14 miles a gallon on the highway, and I think I'm at 11 now. So with the tune and all that, and of course it went down a major amount, and it's horrible on gas. This car is horrible on gas. So the gas is a really big problem. I'm having to fill it up every day or so. And I don't drive this car much. I don't drive it. I'm usually driving the Hellcat. I'm usually driving the Hummer. I'm usually driving another vehicle but this car. So the gas is really hard. But yeah, that's gonna be the top 5 things for this car. The top 5 things I don't like about this car. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to comment down below. I'm going to be doing a $250 giveaway. It's going to be a Visa card, so you guys can buy performance parts for your cars. You can buy cosmic parts for your cars. You guys can buy anything you want. It's going to be a Visa gift card. I'm going to end it when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So all you have to do is you have to click down in the description, go to that Twitter post, like and retweet the Twitter post, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving it away. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.